So the Rapid Prototyping and Micro-Manufacturing Facility is a collaborative pilot project. It's been underway for quite a few years now, and Split Spaces is hosting this amongst our other shared use facilities within this space. It's here to be able to help startups and scale up businesses be able to manufacture electronics without having to go and purchase all of that equipment themselves.
This board will be manufactured out of this pick and place machine behind me. We can make 400 of these a day, and it will go into our products and delivered to customers locally and abroad. So the factory that we use in China, every time we go to production, charges us a line setup fee because they don't have a continuous round-the-clock 24/7 production line set up for us. They manufacture products for other people and other companies, and they need to change between those products and companies each time. But changing means resetting up, and to do that there's a lot of cost that goes into getting the equipment in place, calibrated, all the line ready and processes ready, and then also the people up to speed with the product that they're going to be making on this given production run. With this facility, we eliminate that whole practice because we're in charge of running our own line, and when we get our time allocation to the facility, we're ready to go because we've already done the groundwork in calibrating the machine and the software and the programming for our electronic boards. So the line setup fees are eliminated and the middleman costs are eliminated, and we're looking at saving, more than 20 to 30% on our product. We knew that as a part of the process and ramping up to manufacture locally, we needed to be backed by customer orders, and we're very fortunate to have an order book which allows us to actually divert supply of our product from the overseas manufacturer and bring it here locally and make it in Mackay. So we've been doing the groundwork and the preparation to fulfill customer orders with product manufactured here in Mackay at Split Spaces.
There's been many organisations that have come together to put this together, so METS Ignited, as well as Resource Industry Network and Mackay Regional Council, and we've also got some commercial industry partners, which is Vayeron at this point, but we're actively seeking additional partners to come and join us in this collaboration. So we hope this facility will add to Split Spaces' offerings of shared use facilities where people can come together and collaborate on different projects. Specifically, this one is around electronics. It'll be really important for businesses that want to quickly iterate on their prototypes, but also you can do small run manufacturing in this space as well. So we highly encourage other businesses from all over Australia to get in touch and come and work with us here at Split Spaces.
The resource sector requires a whole lot of componentry. The more technology that comes into the resource sector in machine learning, all of that technology that's the future, we need to be able to produce that here in Mackay. That's what this project will actually allow us to do. So the potential for this is absolutely enormous. I think we'll have people from all over Australia here wanting to know what they can do to actually enhance their businesses, enhance their whatever it is, whatever sensors they're putting into whatever part of componentry that they're making for Australian industry. Now's the time to come and have a look and see what you can do, and do it in Mackay. This wouldn't have been here except for the collaboration, immense collaboration in our community, and that's what I'm proud of our community about. The Mackay Regional Council's Economic Development Team, the Resource Industry Network, METS Ignited. It's the stakeholders who can see what the future can bring, coming together and making something happen.